Chapter 70. The next morning, I asked Dad if I can stay home from school because my video will be on The Daily Show. He says no, but I don't really mind because Elliot and I are walking to school together. Just before the intersection, Elliot asks, "What's the difference between a rock and Tommy Murphy?" I shrug. "A rock has more personality." I shove my shoulder into Elliot's. "Good one." Miss Lovely hands me a note as soon as I walk into class. "Miss Petrosha, the media specialist, wants to see you," she says and hands me a hall pass. Sophie looks at me and tilts her head. I shrug. Tommy Murphy scowls, but I ignore him and head to the media center. Inside the TV studio, the heavy guy turns to me. His t-shirt reads, "Fat, not pregnant." "Here he is," he says to Miss Petrosha. "David," she says, putting a hand on my shoulder, "we were wondering if you'd like to do a special segment on WHMS News. You know, something short and funny, kind of like your videos, but appropriate for Herman. Maybe once a week or so." I stare at her. This is even better than I imagined. More fun than just being a newscaster. I can create funny skits about the teachers in the lunchroom. Maybe Elliot can even help. "If you feel it's too much," I just thought, since you do a good job with your videos. "No," I say, "it would be awesome." But I thought, only 7th graders. In your case, Miss Petrosha said, grinning, "I think we can make an exception." The heavy kid high-fives me, then holds up his hand to signal Ellen Windsor that it's time to start. "Come here tomorrow during 5th period," Miss Petrosha says. "I'll send your teacher a note, and we'll go over everything." I feel great as I walk back to class. I can't wait to tell Elliot about this at lunch.